Good morning, children. Welcome back to SST class. Children, in previous video, we were discuss about the northern mountains wall, and we were discuss about in Himalayas and the three parallel ranges of Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. Himalayas, the highest mountain, and many ranges found in Himalayas. Okay, like Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, and the height of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. And the first lady who was to climb Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal, and the two pupils who were climb on Mount Everest is Tenzing Norgay. It is belong to Nepal, and Edmund Hillary it is belong to New Zealand. Okay, now come to the next point. The Greater Himalaya, also called the Himadri Ranges and Greater Himalaya. It is the mountain range which is in the extreme north. It is the highest range and it remains covered with snow throughout the year. The Himadri ranges, it is the highest range and it is remain covered with snow throughout the year. Okay, in Himadri ranges, the climate is very cold. There are many high peaks like Kanchenjunga and Annapurna in it. There is a high peak like Kanchenjunga and Annapurna you can find in Himadri range. Slow moving rivers of ice called glaciers start from these mountains. Many rivers originate from these glaciers. Some of these rivers are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra. The Ganga start from Gangotri glaciers and Yamuna start from Yamunotri glaciers. Slow moving rivers of ice called glaciers. Many rivers start from the Himalayas ranges like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra. Ganga start from Gangotri glacier and Yamuna start from Yamunotri glacier. Okay, now next topic is the Himachal range. The middle of the Himalaya or the south of the Himadri range is also known as Himachal range. Okay, we also call the Himachal range is middle of the Himalaya, and it has many rivers, valley and passes. Valleys are low areas that lie between hills or mountains. Valleys are low areas. It is the low areas between the mountains and hills. It is low land between mountains and hill. Like the shape of the valley is like this. Okay, low land between two hills. Low land between two hills. Between two hills, mountain and hill. Okay, and the shape of the valley is V. Valleys are low areas that lies between hills or mountains. Fruits like pear, apple, plum are grown in these valleys. In these valleys, you can see that the which kind of fruits grown here: pear, apple, plum, and plum. Okay, pear, apple, and plum. A pass is a narrow gap in the mountains. Some of the important passes. Passes, what do you mean by passes? Passes, it means passes helps those people who want to go mountains to another mountains. Okay? Passes will help these pupils. In Himalayas are Sipkila and Rohtang in Himachal Pradesh, Bomidala in Arunachal Pradesh and Nathula in Sikkim. Thick forests of the Devdar and pine cover most of the mountain slopes in the Himachal range. Okay? Himachal range is covered the thick forest. Which kind of forest you can find here? Devdar and pine. Now the next is Shivalik. The foothills of the Himalayas, called the Shivalik, have thick forests. These forests are home to many wild animals. It means many wild animals live in Shivalik range. People in the Shivalik practice terrace farming. They also rear cattle and grow foods like apple, pear, plum, etc. In Shivalik areas, many peoples lived here, and these peoples tame the animals, and they are used for their purpose, and they do the farming, and fruits grow are here: apple, pear, plum, okay, etc. The foothills of the Shivalik are called Tarai. Forests here have been cut, and the land is used for farming. Our government has developed many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in this region. Our government has developed many wildlife sanctuaries. Sanctuaries, it means how to save wild animals. That's why government developed many plans. Okay. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand was India's first national park. How the Himalayas help us? The Himalaya help us in many ways. The Himalaya act like a huge wall on the northern border of India. Enemies find it difficulty to cross our border. The help of the Himalayas, enemies find the difficulty to cross our border. If the Himalaya is not present, then enemies easily attack to us. This wall also protect us from the cold winds blowing from the north. The Himalayas check the rain-bearing monsoon winds and cause heavy rainfall in many parts of our country. The thick forests of the Himalayas are the home to wild animals. Okay, the thick forest, it's the home of the wild animals. The forest provide us with wood, herbs, and other useful products. In Himalayas, we can find the many herbs and woods. Many health resorts and holy places have been developed in the Himalayas. Lack of people visit them. Okay, many peoples visit in Himalayas, and many resorts and holy places have been developed in the Himalayas. The northern rivers remain full of water as a result of the melting of the snow. The northern rivers remain full of water. Why? Because when the snow melt and it fell down and it rises the river. That's why the river remain full of water. Comparison of South River. Dams have been built across many rivers. They help in producing electricity from water and irrigations agriculture. Dams have been built across many rivers. Okay. How the dam built? It is built by across the many rivers. They help in producing electricity. Dam also help to produce electricity from water and irrigation agriculture and the irrigation agriculture lands. Life in the northern mountains, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of India. Why we call the Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of India? Because Jammu and Kashmir is situated in the top of the map. That's why we call the Jammu and Kashmir is crown of India. It lies in the lap of the Himalayas. Where is the lap? Where is lies Jammu and Kashmir? Where is lies? It is lap of the Himalaya. The Kashmir Valley is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Kashmir Valley is most beautiful places in the world. In the whole world, Kashmir Valley is most beautiful. It is called the paradise on the earth. That's why we call the Jammu and Kashmir paradise on the earth. Paradise means heaven. In August 2019, Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In August 2019, Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated. Bifurcated into it means divided into two branches. ठीक है. In 2019, Jammu and Kashmir included in Union territories and removed from the state. The divided two branches in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, these two not state but Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh included in Union territories, and the number of the Union territories is 8. Srinagar has the famous Dal Lake. This lake is the beauty of Kashmir. One can find a large number of houseboats and shikaras in this lake. Srinagar has the famous Dal Lake. The famous Dal Lake is found in Srinagar. This lake is the beauty of Kashmir. The Dal Lake is the beauty of Kashmir. One can find a large number of houseboats. In Jammu and Kashmir, you can find the houseboat and shikaras. Houseboats are used for loading, while shikaras are used for selling flowers and vegetables. Houseboat can carry many number of pupils rather than while shikaras are carried only few pupils. It is used only selling flowers and vegetables, while houseboats are used for loading. The main occupation of the people in Jammu and Kashmir is agriculture. The main occupation, what do you mean by shikaras? Shikaras. The shikara is a type of wooden boat found on Dal Lake. Okay, the shikara is type of a wooden boat. It is made it wooden. Okay, and it is found in Dal Lake. The main occupation of the people in Jammu and Kashmir, whose people live in Jammu and Kashmir, in that people's our main occupation is agriculture. Terraced fields are used for producing rice, maize and rajma. Terraced field, it means in agriculture a terrace is a piece of slope plain. ठीक है, कैसे होता है terrace? Terrace, the picture of terrace like this. Okay, like this. People in some areas grow saffron. In Jammu and Kashmir, people in some areas peoples are grow saffron. It is very costly. Saffron is very costly, and peoples were used saffron to flavor. It is the added to food to give a special flavor. Some people practice animal rearing and grazing. Some peoples are practice animals rearing. It means they are practicing to how the animals tame. And grazing, it means a grassland suitable for pasturage. People in the Kashmir Valley stay at home during winter as it is very cold. In Kashmir Valley, in winter time, people stay at their home. Why? Because in winter time the climate is very cold. They make beautiful articles from wood, brass and silver, etc. The carpets and pashmina shawl of Kashmir are world famous. In Kashmir, the pashmina shawl and carpets are very famous. Winters are quite cold in Srinagar. The popular dress for both man and woman in winter is a loose gown called piharan. Which kind of dress they were worn? Piharan. Okay, man and woman both are wear the piharan. They also keep kangri with burning coal under the piharan so as to keep themselves warm. How the Kashmir's people keep themselves warm? Kangri means used to transport fire or carried close to the body as a means of keeping wood warm. ठीक है, how these peoples are keep themselves warm? They keep the kangri with burning coal under the piharan. They keep the kangri. Kangri, it means earthen pot. They keep the kangri under the piharan, so as to keep themselves warm. The people speak in Jammu and Kashmir. People speak Kashmiri, Dogri, and Urdu. Kahwa, a special kind of tea, is a special drink of the Kashmiris. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Amarnath Cave are the famous places of Jammu and Kashmir. Thousands of people visit Vaishno Devi temple near Jammu and Ladakh is Union Territory located in the northeast of J&K. The main festival of Jammu and Kashmir are Eid and Shivratri. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Amarnath Cave are the famous places. These are the famous places in Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Amarnath Cave. Thousands of people visit. Several peoples visit in Vaishno Devi, and Vaishno Devi is situated in Jammu. Ladakh is a union territory. Now the Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir is included in union territories in northeast, and Ladakh is a union territory located. Where is the Ladakh is located? Ladakh is located northeast of J&K. Okay, northeast part of J&K. The main festival of Jammu and Kashmir, which is the main festival of Jammu and Kashmir, is Eid and Shivratri are the main festival of Jammu and Kashmir. Now the next is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also a mountain state like Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. 90% of the people live in villages. Himachal Pradesh is also known mountains state like Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. 90% of the people live in the village. Maximum 90% people. Where they live? Maximum 19% people live in village. Their main occupation is farming. In villages area, the mostly people having a main occupation is farming. Many people rear sheep and goats, and several people rear sheep and goats. Several people tame sheep and goats. What is the use of sheep and goat? They get the sheep from wool. They rear the sheep to get the wool, and goats they get the meat and milk. The main crops are rice, barley and maize. Plums and apples are grown in large quantities and supplied to other parts of the country. Plums and apples are grown in large quantities, and they were supplied in the many parts of our country. Pahari or Hindi are the main languages. Which is the main language? Pahari and Hindi are the main languages in Himachal Pradesh, and Dussehra is the most popular festival. Dussehra is the most popular festival. Famous hills are in Himachal. Famous hill stations like Kullu, Manali and Shimla are in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, famous hill stations like Kullu, Manali and Shimla. Dance and music are quite popular with the people. Women wear pajama with a long top. They wear scarves called dhaju. The men wear tight pajamas with loose shirt. Women wear pajama. In Himachal Pradesh, women wear pajama with a long top. Okay, they wear scarf called dhaju. The men wear light pajama, and whose people live in Himachal Pradesh, the men wear the tight pajama with loose shirt. Now next state is Uttarakhand. It is a newly formed state. The Ganga and Yamuna originate in Uttarakhand. The Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga start from the Gangotri glaciers, and Yamuna start from Yamunotri glacier. Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun and Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. In Uttarakhand also many peoples lived in village areas and the main occupations of these peoples is agriculture. Many peoples also join army. Dehradun is also known for the Indian military academy. ठीक है, many peoples also join army. Uttarakhand whose people live in Uttarakhand, many people join army. Dehradun is also known for the Indian military army, IMA. The popular hill station like Mussoorie, Nainital lies in this state. The Mussoorie, Nainital lies in this state. In this state means Uttarakhand. Other famous places are Haridwar, Almora, Badrinath and Kedarnath. The main languages of Uttarakhand peoples is Hindi and Garhwali. Sikkim. The word Sikkim has been derived from the word Sukkim, meaning happy homeland. ठीक है, the word Sikkim has been derived from the word Sikkim comes from the Sikkim, meaning happy homeland. Sikkim is in the northeast of India. Sikkim, where lies the Sikkim? Sikkim lies in the northeast of India. Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the Himalaya, lies in Sikkim. Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in Himalaya. First is Mount Everest, second is K2 and we also call the Godwin Austen, and third one is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga lies in the Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The word Gangtok means flattened hill. Most of the people living here are Buddhist. Rumtik Monastery is a landmark of Sikkim. The mass dance of Sikkim is very famous. Which kind of dance famous in Sikkim? Mask dance. Okay. Now the next is Darjeeling. It is the north of West Bengal. It is a famous hill station. Darjeeling tea is a world famous. The Tiger Hill in Darjeeling is a place worth visiting. It is the north of West Bengal. Darjeeling is the part of the north of the West Bengal. It is a famous hill station. Darjeeling is the famous hill station and Darjeeling is also famous for tea. The Tiger Hill in Darjeeling is a place worth visit. The Tiger Hill. Okay. Now the next is the northeastern state. In the northeast of India lies a group of 7 states. These 7 states are known as 7 sisters. The northeastern states. It means which the north state. Wait a minute. This side is the northeast side and here 7 states. India lies a group of 7 states. These 7 states are known as 7 sisters. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Okay. Assam. Assam is the largest state among the 7 sisters. Okay. Assam is the largest state among these 7 states. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam is famous for its tea. Assam state is famous for tea. The main festival is Bihu. Bihu is the main festival in Assam. The people speak Assamese. In Assam, whose people live in Assam, they were speaking Assamese. The main language in Assam is Assamese. Arunachal Pradesh. The Brahmaputra river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Which is the capital of Arunachal? What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Is Itanagar. The people depend upon agriculture and forest produce for their livelihood. Okay, whose people live in Arunachal Pradesh, the main occupation in those peoples is agriculture. Meghalaya. The word Meghalaya means abode of clouds. The word Meghalaya, it means the word abode of clouds. Clouds, it means residence, and the house of cloud. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong, and the capital, what is the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shillong is a capital hill station. Mostly people belong to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. In which kind of tribes live here? Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The Nagas are mainly farmers and hunters. They wear colorful clothes. In Nagas peoples, they are famous for farmers and hunters. Manipur. Manipur is situated to the south of Nagaland. Farming and weaving are the two main occupations of the people. In Manipur, these peoples are the famous occupation is farming and weaving. Manipur is also make bamboo, cane and leather goods. Manipuri dance is very famous. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Mizoram. Mizoram means the land of the hill people. Mizoram means the land of the hill people. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Most of the people Mizoram are educated. In Mizoram, most of the peoples are educated. Tripura. The word Tripura means the three cities. They were great cities of prosperity, power and dominance. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. The four sides share a common boundary with Assam, Mizoram. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The word Tripura means the three cities. They were great cities of prosperity, power and dominance. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. The four sides share a common boundary with Assam and Mizoram. Tripura is share their boundary with Assam and Mizoram. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The main languages are Bengali and Kokbark. Kokbark, it means is the main native language of Tripura people. It is the main native language, Kokbark. Kokbark is spoken by the majority of tribals in Tripura. The main crops of Tripura are jute, cotton and oilseeds. Bamboo plays an important role in the lives of the people. Huts are made of the bamboo. Bamboo is used for making toys and handicraft. What is the use of bamboo? Bamboo is also used for making toys and handicrafts. Okay children, now this chapter has been finished. Okay, thank you children.